Welcome to the unboxing of the Samsung Galaxy A15, which is the successor to the Galaxy A14. Now this particular one is an interesting spec. It's a 4 gig RAM, 128 gig internal storage, and the color is blue black. So the color is blue black. So let's check it out. Okay. Of course, we have the box. That's what the box looks like at the back, on the sides. So let's tear this thing open and see what it looks like. Okay. We have our usual box at the top. Some paperwork and a Type-C to Type-C cable, as you can see. Put that to the side. Then we have the phone here and a SIM ejector tool, and that's all. So again, there's no charging brick. Seems like the theme will continue this year for no charging brick. And here is the blue black Galaxy A15. Okay, still feels like some premium plastic. 3 cameras at the back, and then you have the flash or torch. We have what seems to be a fingerprint sensor on the side again, and the volume rockers. And on this other side, we have the same tray. At the bottom of the phone, we have the 3.5mm headphone jack. We have the Type-C port, the microphone, and also a downward firing speaker. And that's basically it. That's what you get when you purchase this blue black Samsung Galaxy A15. Thanks for watching. Comments and questions down below, and good luck.